Hello, Arthur here. The game of chess is inherently mathematical in nature, and many mathematical problems can be done with a chessboard. Most famous is the 8 queens problem. Given that the queen is the strongest piece on the board, is it possible to place 8 queens on a chessboard such that no 2 queens can attack each other? Well, it turns out that there are 12 unique ways to solve this problem, excluding rotations or reflections. Similar to this are independence problems, which involve finding the maximum number of certain pieces that can be placed on a board with no 2 attacking each other, such as 16 kings, 14 bishops, 8 rooks, and 32 knights. Another problem is the knight's tour. Given the bizarre but also restricted movement of the knight, is it possible to move a knight around a chessboard, landing on each square once without repetition? It is, and this is a way you can do it. A secret to finding the solution is to start in a corner where the movement is restricted and move counterclockwise or clockwise around the board, ensuring to go to the square closest to the edge you can legally move to. Another consequence of the game's mathematical nature is its use in determining the effectiveness of AI and machines. In 1997, a computer beat a world chess champion for the first time. IMB's Deep Blue played against the then unbeaten world chess champion Garry Kasparov and won. Since then, computers have gotten faster and better at playing chess, and today the best chess engines are way better than players than even the best humans. Chess computers are able to calculate many combinations within seconds to find the best possible moves, and can calculate around 10 or 20 moves ahead. Algorithms create a tree of possibilities and work their way backwards to find the best moves for each of the opponent's potential moves, and respond depending on what the human plays for the move, repeating this process for each move, and so on. Some computers have even been programmed to learn chess on their own and improve over time. The earliest precursor to modern chess is the game of Chaturanga, played in India in the 6th century AD. The game consisted of the 4 arms of the Indian army: cavalry, chariotry, infantry, and elephantry, which evolved into what we know today as the knight, rook, pawn, and bishop, respectively. The queen wasn't originally the queen, and was instead a vizier, who was like an advisor or minister to the Raja or king, and could only move 1 square diagonally. Many historians also believe that there was no such thing as check, and the king needed to be captured. Chaturanga spread to Persia, where it became Satra, and the terms Shah and Shahmat, meaning king, and king is helpless, were introduced. These would later become check and checkmate, respectively. Chess in its modern form dates back to the 5th century, 1475 to be exact, when the first recorded chess game was played between Francisco di Castello and Narciso Vignoles. It wasn't until the late 19th century, however, that tournament chess became popularised with the first World Chess Championship in 1886, where Wilhelm Steinitz beat Johann Zubertol and became the first official World Chess Champion, keeping the title until 1894. Since then, 16 people have held the title of World Chess Champion. Mathematical thought experiments and testing the limits of AI is not the only thing chess has going for it. As well as increasing intelligence, chess has also been shown to increase creativity, improve memory and problem-solving skills, and even teach pre-planning and better decision-making in the real world. It may even decrease your risk of developing Alzheimer's. Chess has often been used as a metaphor for life, and many military strategists and business leaders have used the game to help achieve success. Even though the mechanics of the game wouldn't make much sense in the real world, the strategic nature of the game means that playing chess does have real-world applications. Thanks for watching.